God. Okay. I have no idea like what this actually is. In like, you're gonna have to explain it to me. But it's a type of
Batting?
yeah. But like
Cover
when
drive?
you bat, it is called a.
Cover drive?
No, it's a type of it though.
Pull shot?
And it's not a plane. It's a.
Free hit?
No. Okay. I'm gonna go again. Okay. Right. So another way of traveling by air is you've got plane. Yes.
Helicopter shot?
Yes, pretty much.
Okay, it's it has to happen with girls. So it's one of our, I don't know if you know MS Dhoni. That's his trademark shot. So
okay. What is it like?
So it's like a shot which like kind of like flip the whole bat.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't play that as much, but yeah, he's the best. Yeah, he does it very well.
Cool.
Okay. I don't know if you watch cricket, but we just do this, and like when the umpire gives this out.
Yeah, so you call it for like them to look at the screen.
Yeah.
The equivalent to like VAR or whatever that is.
Yeah, something similar to VAR, which you call it in.
Is it like in tennis where you have like you call for them to like review it?
Yeah.
But is it like the cricket term?
Yeah, it's a cricket term.
Oh, okay, I'm not going to get it.
It's also, I think it's a driving, like a F1 term as well.
Appeal? No.
No, it's
DRS.
DRS. Yeah.
Okay, that's like.
So DRS is a review system only for us. So it's for us like what VAR is called DRS. So
got it. So in
decision review system.
Formula
I think
1.
so. I hope I'm correct.
In Formula 1 is got like a completely different meaning. Big rear wings.
Yeah.
The flap opens, so it gives you more straight line speed. So if you're trying to overtake or something like that, you use DRS. So it's slightly different. Quite easy one. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to describe this. It's quite an easy one, but all the cars here have a certain design on them, which is.
Gulf?
Yes, and we describe it as when you have a design on a car, it's described as you might not get this. It's called a livery. But yeah, so like if you had, say you have a design of your team kit, or like the cars are designed a certain way, we would call it the livery.
Oh, okay.
So
I don't think.
That is.
Okay, when you want to pass from the other car.
Oh, overtake.
Yeah.
We're getting good at this. I like the hand movements.
I don't know what.
Oh, okay, this one's quite tricky. A lot of the cars here race, it's a big race in Europe. It's a 24-hour endurance race in France, in a place in France. You won't get it. It's called Le Mans.
Nah, why have I got so tough ones?
Oh, maybe, yeah, yours are really tough. Yeah. To be honest, I could have maybe been like, not a woman. Yeah, I think we would have ended up on a rabbit hole with that. Okay.
You just told me recently you've been to India at one place.
Chennai?
Yes.
Yeah, I raced in Chennai. Well, the only time I've really properly been to India.
Oh, where did you race like?
2019.
Oh, okay.
And it was in a series called MRF, and it was the best. I always say it's the most fun race I've ever. But they do this chicken, and I don't know how they make it so good, but it's made in like a clay.
A tandoori chicken.
Yeah, but it's like murg mullah kebab or something like that.
Okay, I'm a vegetarian, so
okay.
it's a little tough for me to understand. But
phenomenal. The best thing I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sure there's a better way of describing this in a cricket sense, but if you can't get into, like, if you want to go into a nightclub or a bar, outside there is a...
Bouncer?
Yes, yes. Okay. I don't know how I would have described that in like a cricket
She's
term.
like completely changing bouncer. Okay, I don't know how, it's a movie, it's a very famous movie on cars.
Rush?
No.
Senna?
It has a franchise, I think. It has a franchise of movies. Like
not Mission, Fast and Furious.
Yes.
Okay, so the team that I am a development driver for in Formula 1.
Williams.
Yes, yes. I was about to point at it.
Williams Racing, yes.
Williams Racing.
Yeah. Okay, so this is pretty hard to like really explain. So I have a clue for you. That particular car is called?
That one?
34 one.
Ford GT40?
Yes, that's one. See, that was a clue when he said, don't look there.
Just, I see. Oh, this one's actually interesting because this is like, my mum's from India, but I'm grew up in the UK, so I didn't eat a huge amount of Indian food. But this is something that I used to have, because when I started racing, I would get very nervous and I wouldn't eat at track. Okay. So this was something that I'll get my mum to make me. And I think it's like a comfort food. It's like lentils.
Bhel?
No. Like it's very comforting.
Dal?
Yes.
Oh, dal, okay. Dal khichdi, oh, yeah. Okay, nice, yeah. I think whenever you miss your mom or something, it's just like your mom's handmade dal khichdi is the best.
Taka dal is like what I used to get her to make.
It's pretty healthy too, a lot of protein. Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Next interview we need to have it on a cricket ground now.